Okay, hello, my lovely students, grade 5. This is quiz number 1. Okay, so like when you'd like to do the quiz, remember first of all to write your email and write your name. Then let's go and see what the quiz about. They say ask you to write in digits. Remember, I've told you before, and I've said like according to place values, and we talked about the numbers, and we talked about the place values. We said like what? When you like to read a number, you need to divide it into groups. And we said any group contain 3 digits. And I told you like as you are students in grade 5, you're required from you only 2 groups. The group of what? Of thousands. And the other group is hundreds, but I said I prefer say what? No name. So to help you in reading. I said each group contain what? 100, tens, and ones. This also has what? 100, tens, and ones. Then you have the decimal point after that. The decimal point part, as you like. You can say what? It is point. The first digit is tenth. The second digit is hundredth. The third one is thousands. Please don't forget this. This is the most important thing that you know in place values, if you would like to study place value. Like here we say 16,027. When we say 16,000, that is mean like what? In the thousand place, you have got 16. So 16. When you find thousands, it mean what? Comma. And 27. Some people they write 27 this way. This is wrong. Remember, like the other group has 100, tens, and ones. Nobody mentioned the hundreds, so it's gonna be 0. So it's gonna be what? 16,027. This is how you make it. They say what the value of the digit for in this number. Look for is what is it? This is the first digit decimal point, and this is the second digit. The second digit is 100. So you say what? It is 400. This is actually the best answer. I prefer like all my students write for me like 400. There is another answer also. I cannot say they are wrong, but I prefer this answer. Like what? Like some people they say 4 over 100. Some people they say is what? Some people they say it is 0.04. Some people say just 100. It's okay. What the value of the digit 9 in this number? Look at your number, like this decimal point. This ones, this is tens. So you say what? It is 9 tenths. Said I prefer this one, 9 tenths. Or it's you could say what? 90. Write this one in words. Like you read the 3 digits together. Write it in words. Remember, you must write like what? 700. If you write and, it's okay. If you say 704, it's okay. Point. Don't write 14. 14 is wrong. 0.14. Or there is another option. You will say 0.110. And 400. There is another option, is also correct. You could say what point? Those people they prefer like say 14. You could say 0.14. but you must write 14 hundredths. If you don't write hundredths, is wrong. If you write only 14, is wrong. But it's in your mind. They say complete. 36.382 is equal to 30 plus. Plus like the what? Like you need to write any number according to its place value. Plus 6. Because this is 6 is ones. Plus the 3 is what? It is tenth. You write it 0.3. That's all. Don't add more things. Then plus the 8 is hundredths. 0.08. That's all. This is the correct answer. Then number 8, this question is tricky. They say for 964.5 tenths. I've told you before, when you find tenth, it means what? It means divide by 10. It means 964.5 divided by 10. And that's equal, you move the decimal point one place to the left, is equal to 96.45. And then you go and see the answers. Between your answers, which one do you want to pick? You're going to pick now the correct answer. I'm quite sure like you need to understand this one. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. 96.45. Because they say tenths. If it was tenths, if I said like the same number, I said but 96 or 964.5, and I say tenths, this is means is equal to 964.5 multiplied by 10, and that's equals, decimal point goes one place to the right. It's going to be 9645, and that's it. Let's go to this question. Multiply by 10. When you multiply by 10, a decimal, we say decimal point jump one place to the right is 5.64. This decimal point jump one place to the right. From here, it will just go here. It will be 56.4. And when you multiply by 100, it is 42.6 multiplied by 100. When you multiply by 100, this decimal point go to two places to the right, 1. You don't have another place but 0. This number you multiply by 1,000, it is 0.0723. You multiply by 1,000. Multiply by 1,000, decimal point go 3 places. From here, it goes 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal. The answer will be 72.3 because the zeros has no meaning. 72.3. This number, let's say divide 100. It is what? It is 430. When you divide by 100, you cancel 2 zeros. But you have only 1 0. What you do else? Put the decimal point after 1 digit. It's 4.3. Question 11. We said we divide by 10. It is 43.7. You divide by 10. Divide by 10. Move the decimal point one place to the left. Like from here, go left 1. And then put the decimal point because it's division. We say this number, it is 243. 243. Divide a number, we put decimal point after 2 digits. After 2 digits, 100 has 2 digits. That means you divide what? You say 243 divided by 100 is equals to 2.43. 13, you have 0.4. 0.4 multiplied by a number, the answer will give us what? Gets us 4. The decimal point, it was, there's only 1 digit at the decimal point and the decimal point disappeared. That means you just multiply by 10 because it's only 1 digit and the decimal point disappeared. That means multiply by 10. Question 14. It says 6.8 multiply by a number is getting you what? Like this one, it's getting you like 6, 8, and 2 zeros. Like the decimal point was here. The decimal point has been moved from here like 1, 2, 3. 3 places. Like this number is multiplied by what? Multiplied by 1,000. It's going to give you this answer. Question 15, we say, what is a number that is 100 times bigger than this number? 100 times bigger than this number, all what you need to do, take the number 404.4, 44.4, multiplied by what? Multiplied by 100, and then this will be what? 44.4. Decimal point, go right two places, like 1, you don't have another place, you put 0. 0 for 140. That's all, and thank you.